Logarithmic equations. A logarithmic equation is an equation containing a variable in logarithmic expression. To solve logarithmic equations, number 1, express the equation in the form of log base b m equals to c. Number 2, use the definition of a logarithm to rewrite the equation in exponential form. Log base b m equals to c. If we change it to exponential, my base is b raised to the exponent, which would be c, equals to m. Remember, your logarithms are exponents. C is the exponent. That's the reason why this c is now over here in the exponential form of the place of an exponent. Number 3, solve for the variable. Number 4, check proposed solution in the original equation. Include in the solution set only values for which m is greater than 0. So those are our rules that we will be using to solve logarithmic equations. Let's look at this first example on solving logarithmic equations. This is a logarithmic equation. It has the word log. It has an equal sign. The first thing we want to do is change it to exponential. If you change it to exponential, your base is 4, raised to your exponent of 2 equals to x plus 3. So we've gone from logarithmic form to exponential form. Okay? Now let's solve this. Well, 4 squared is 16 equals to x plus 3. Solve for x. Subtract 3 from both sides. X equals to 13. Okay? So, to check this, we would go back and substitute 13 in for x in the original problem. Log base 4 of 13 plus 3. Does that equal to 2? Well, 13 plus 3 is 16. Is log base 4 16? Does that equal to 2? Yes. In other words, is 4 squared 16? Yes. So your answer to this problem is 13. You have solved a logarithmic equation. Look at this next example. 3 ln 2x equals to 12. First thing I want to do is I want to undo the multiplication that 3 is multiplying times ln. So let's divide both sides by 3. Therefore, you get ln of 2x equals to 4. Recall that ln has a base. If you don't see one, it's understood to be e. So if I was to change this ln equation to a exponential equation, my base would be e raised to the exponent of 4. This is your exponent, equals to 2x. Now remember, in solving a logarithmic equation, you change it to exponential and then you solve for x. So to solve for x, we would need to divide both sides by 2. The 2's cancel. Therefore, x is equal to e to the 4th divided by 2. E to the 4th divided by 2. That would be your final answer. That is what x is equal to.